Wallahi, even if you are earning less money, there is more barakah in your money than if you are earning haram money and selling your religion to the enemies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A man may be earning loads of money through haram or through the enemies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but his money will become a curse upon him and his children. But another man, he will not sell his religion, he may earn less, but when he goes home, he only has lentils, but he enjoys it like he has had a platter of meat. And the other man, he will go home, he may order platters and platters of meat, but an illness will occur within him. He may go to the doctors and spend all his money, or his child will become a gambler or a drug dealer or a drug addict. There will be no barakah in his money. يَبِيعُ أَحَدُهُمْ دِينَهُ بِعَرَضٍ مِّنَ الدُّنْيَا. Why arad? It doesn't last. You can have the dunya, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in those verses, but they will only last for a short time.